In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start drop shipping with Wix 2025. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up your store, connect to suppliers, price your products with confidence, and go live without touching a single box. First, make sure your site has the store features you need. Log into your Wix dashboard and open your site editor. If a store isn't already enabled, head to the Wix app market, the one marked with the toolbox icon. Search for Wix stores and click Add to Site. This adds your product pages, shopping cart, and secure checkout so customers can actually buy from you. Next, access drop shipping products directly from your dashboard. Go to Store Products, then under the Catalog section, choose Drop Shipping. This area connects you to vetted suppliers and a wide selection of items so you can browse and add products without keeping any inventory on hand. It's ideal for testing new niches and expanding your catalog quickly. Once you've found products you like, add them to your store and open each one to customize the details. Update titles and descriptions so they match your brand voice and clearly explain benefits, materials, sizes, and shipping expectations. Replace or reorder images to highlight the product's best angles and keep your visual style consistent. A clean layout, clear sizing info, and straightforward language help reduce returns and build trust. Now let's talk pricing. Wix uses Modalist as the primary drop shipping partner, and by default, it applies a 60% markup that generally covers the base product cost and shipping. You can change this anytime. Like if you want different profit margins, open your Modalist settings and adjust your pricing rules. As you set margins, remember to account for transaction fees, occasional discounts, and the perceived value of your brand. A simple test is to calculate your expected profit on a typical order, then confirm it still works if you run a small promotion. When orders start coming in, fulfillment is automated. Your customer pays you on your site and you pay the supplier the base cost. The supplier handles packaging and ships directly to your customer's doorstep. You can track every order's status right from your Wix dashboard, which means no packing slips, no post office runs, and fewer operational headaches. Before you launch, review your store layout to ensure everything looks professional and consistent across product pages, the cart, and checkout. When you're happy, click Save and Publish to start accepting orders. That's it. Your drop shipping store is live and ready to grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.